Are you in your 20s and looking to secure your financial future? Then this video is for you. Your 20s are a time of immense opportunity and growth, but it's also when many people make crucial financial mistakes that can have long-lasting consequences. Today, we're going to talk about 3 critical money mistakes you should avoid to set yourself up for success. By understanding these pitfalls and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you can build a solid foundation for a brighter financial future. So, let's dive in. Let's be real for a second. Nobody actually likes the word budget. It sounds restrictive, like you're putting yourself in a financial straitjacket. But trust me, budgeting isn't about limiting your freedom. It's about understanding where your money is going so you can make informed decisions about how you want to spend it. Think of it like this. If you were building a house, you wouldn't just start laying bricks without a plan, right? You'd need blueprints, a budget, a clear understanding of where everything goes. Your finances are the same way. A budget is simply a roadmap for your money. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can identify areas where you might be overspending and find opportunities to save more. There are tons of free apps and tools out there that can help you get started, or you can even just use a simple spreadsheet. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick to it. And don't be afraid to adjust your budget as your income or expenses change over time. So take it from me, budgeting isn't just some boring financial chore, it's your secret weapon to unlocking your full financial potential. Look, we live in a society that encourages us to live beyond our means. Credit card offers flood our mailboxes, online retailers tempt us with buy now, pay later schemes, and it seems like everyone is driving a fancy car or taking exotic vacations on Instagram. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of consumerism and feel like you need to keep up with the Joneses. But let me tell you, debt is a dangerous game. And it's not a game you want to be playing. Think of debt like a giant anchor weighing you down, preventing you from achieving your financial goals. Every dollar you spend on interest payments is a dollar that you could be investing, saving for a down payment on a house, or using to pursue your passions. And high-interest debt like credit card debt is the worst kind. With interest rates often exceeding 20%, it can feel like you're stuck in quicksand, with the balance growing faster than you can pay it down. The first step is to acknowledge the problem and commit to tackling it head-on. Start by creating a budget and identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Then, create a debt repayment plan. Chapter 3. Investing. Time is your greatest ally. Let's talk about investing. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Investing? Isn't that something only rich people do? Nope, not at all. In fact, investing is one of the most important things you can do to build wealth, regardless of your income level. And the best part is, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz or have a ton of money to get started. The magic of investing lies in something called compound interest. Compound interest is basically interest earned on interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, and the more wealth you can potentially accumulate in the long run. Think of it this way. Let's say you invest $1,000 today and earn an average annual return of 7%. In 30 years, that $1,000 would grow to over $7,600. That's the power of compound interest. One great option is to invest in a low-cost index fund, like the Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund, VOO. The key is to do your research, start small, and gradually increase your investments over time as your income grows. Your financially secure future awaits. So remember to budget, avoid unnecessary debt, and start investing early. These 3 simple steps can make a world of difference in your financial well-being. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a financially secure future.